Yeah, what's up, guys? Once again, welcome back to Scale My Technology. I believe you guys are doing great. It's your boy Jerry Graphic Design here. I bring you a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to solve a particular problem for you. As you can see here it is my inbox between a client. I made a design for his client. This is a printer, so the person that I make this design for wanted to print it. Then he sent it as a normal picture to the printer. Then the printer reached out to him that this is not how he will send it, that he should reach out to the graphic designer, that the graphic designer to send the soft copy for him, which is this. So now it seems confusion to others. That this is the problem that I have faced before, so I came to resolve it for others. Because one thing with me is that the things that I have have a challenge on it before and I got it solved out, I don't want people to still repeat it again. So I make it easy for people that comes across it to be easier for them, because I have been in this before and I didn't know how to solve it out until one day I got it right. So I want to make it here right for you in this video. So just like the title said, how to convert your design to PDF. All right, so the person said I should send a soft copy. So how do you send a soft copy? But it's by making it a PDF. So I want to walk you through on how you can make, after designing it on your PixelLab, you cannot make it as PDF, and not just making it as PDF. There is a way that you will save it in PixelLab that the quality will not drop. So the saving that you are saving it to make it a PDF is not the same way you will save it as a normal design. So if you are making a particular flyer a soft copy, a PDF, the saving should be different. So I will walk you step by step through that and how you can make that particular design PDF. Please be patient and watch this video from beginning to the end, because you do know the particular place that is your challenge. Because what I'm sure of is all that I will share in this video will be valuable to you out there. So now as he reached out for me for the soft copy, I say okay. Then I sent him this. As you can see, this is the soft copy, this is the PDF. Yeah, so now I will click it. Now you see how it looks. I send it like as a PDF so that he can be able to edit it in his back end if there is anything that he needs to touch. So this is how you can send a design to a printer. All right, this is how you can send it to a printer. So if you are sending a soft copy to a printer to print it out, be it any kind of design, you didn't just send it as an image. You can see I have several designs here that I sent. The design that is here is include flyer, business color, a business card. Yeah, I think 2 business card and then 2 flyer. These are the design that I included here. So let me click on this design, that then you will see how it will look and where it will take me to. So I will tap on it, then I will open it with my Canva. Okay, so you open it with the Canva. You can choose a mega, or you can choose a draft, whichever one that best suits you. You can go with it. All right, so for the sake of this video, I'm going with Canva. All right, so you will see how the PDF look in the Canva. You see, right? So now with this, okay, so these are the design that I've already make as a PDF. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing it. So now let me tap on this for the sake of this. Okay, this is a Jumia one. Let me go back. Okay, cool. So you come to project. So this is my project. So this is the design that I have that I have made as a PDF. All right. So that is it. Sorry, this is not where I want to go. So these are the design, right? So it automatically it will appear in the person drive or Canva, just the way you are seeing it here. This is how it will appear on the person Canva. Yeah, on the person Canva. So the person will be able to edit it. You got it. So now I want to walk you through how you can achieve that. So first of all, let's go to PixelLab, because there is a way that we are going to save this particular design. All right, so I'm going to my PixelLab now. Okay, so now this is a flyer that I made for PravWave. All right, so now let's say I want to save this and then make it I want to make it a PDF. So I will just click here. All right, hope you are following. I will just click here and then click on save image, right? Click on save image. Now at this point, now we're going to change this to PNG. All right, change it to PNG. Then the downside, we are going to change it to custom. Change it to custom. Then you click on save. It will save to your gallery, right? Okay, cool. Now there is this app, or rather website, that I will use to make this PDF. The link will be in the description. Please feel free to click on the link and make use of it. All right, so now I will go to this website. It's called I Love PDF. So you tap it. So I have downloaded the app, but you can use you can use the website through Chrome, whichever one. So now once you open it, you can choose to sign it, or you can just walk through it like this. So you can scroll down. All right, you can scroll down. You see, you can you can change slips to PDF. All right, compress to PDF, PDF to Word. All right, you see different PDF here. You see PDF to PowerPoint. Okay, we have many of them. All right, so but we are going to make use of JPG to PDF. I hope you got it. So you click on JPG to PDF. Then we are going to tap here, select image. Then we are going to pick the image that we just saved, which is this. All right, now once you import the image, what we're gonna do next is we are going to click on convert to PDF. All right, you click on convert to PDF. It's converting. Cool, it has converted. So you see at the top here, convert, and you see it has downloaded automatically. It has downloaded, so you can open. All right, now let's open it. You see, this is the PDF. You can edit, you can see it. Now you can save the copy. All right, you save the copy. You see, you can save it to your, see, if I upload it now, automatically it will go to my drive. I hope you guys are getting it. Okay, so let me go to let me save this to my drive. All right, let me save it to, let me name it PDF. All right, then I'll create, then I will upload it. It has saved to my it has saved to my drive. So if a client say send a soft copy, this is how you will make it. Now if you are done with it like this, now how do you send it to the client? So let me go to my drive. All right, go to my drive. All right, so this is it. All right, you see it does not come out complete, because it comes as a PDF. So what we're gonna do here is, you see at the top here it's saying PDF. You got it. So what I'm gonna do, you tap here, then you click on share. All right, or copy rather. You click on copy. All right, then you go to the person there. All right, let me send it to my second phone number instead. Okay, so I'll just tap here. You see it has been sent. Okay, so if the person click on this link now, automatically it will take the person to his drive. So it's from the person drive now, the person will download it and print it out. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and God bless you. If you love this type of content, please consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell, turn it on, so that each time we update our channel with a new tutorial like this, will be first person to notify. If you're having any challenge in this graphic design industry that you like us to resolve it for you, please drop a comment in the comment section. We will do a tutorial about it for your sake. All right, thank you.